Okay, this is a short video. I'm going to drain out my oil separator can that I have on my 2.7 liter Tacoma, and we're going to find out just how much oil that it's caught. And this is right about 7,000 miles on it. Now here's a measuring cup, and down here is 1 ounce, 2 ounce, 3 ounce, 4 ounce. It goes up to 8 ounces. So we're going to pour the oil, and there you see it. In 7,000 miles, it has collected 1 ounce of oil, and that's it. So the oil separator does catch some oil to keep it from going through your intake manifold. So I think it is a worthwhile upgrade. Mine is the 2.7 liter 4-cylinder. I adapted a oil separator kit for a 2.3 liter Mustang turbo engine over to it. I did buy the extended, or the extender, to double the amount of oil this will hold. But 7,000 miles, 1 ounce of oil, I don't think you really need the extender. So I'm probably going to end up removing the extender off of it and just go with just the bottom and just be done with it, because the 1 ounce is not a lot of oil. So just for those that are looking at this, or for a oil separator can, I think it is a worthwhile investment. But again, 7,000 miles, 1 ounce of oil, that's what it caught. But that's 1 ounce of oil that it didn't send through the intake manifold. So that's a benefit right there. So I hope this little video helps people who might be interested in this type of upgrade for their own Tacomas.